आज के इस प्रारंभिक सत्र में मुझे कल रात को बताया गया था कि जहाँ तक संभव हो हिंदी में बात करना, क्योंकि हम राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। बट आई ट्राई, इंडिया में ऐसी एक विचारधारा है कि जिस व्यक्ति को इंग्लिश नहीं आती उसको अक्ल नहीं होती, बुद्धि नहीं होती। So just to remind you that I have also got some sense and common sense. I speak a bit in between once or twice, but we will try because the suggestion came from the student community. और दूसरा उन्होंने बताया था कि यदि हमको कुछ मौलिक विचार सुनने को मिलेंगे तो
one or two words in Tamil will not be out of
Yes sir, yes sir. I am reasonably okay, but Tamil, Telugu,
I will do it for you.
हाँ, कन्नड़ा ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
That's what we list out all the languages.
So I'll do it. But come sir, come. Welcome. Therefore, we are grateful to you, sir. Forum is for भारत में ऐसी विचारधारा है, इसी मूल विषय के ऊपर जब बात करेंगे, the Lakshman Rekha is known to us, and we will try and remain the Lakshman Rekha during this session at least, for the purpose of discussion. They are very eminent people in this, and therefore I was about to start my speech. शिक्षा कभी व्यर्थ नहीं जाती. No education in the world, particularly younger generation, sitting from Jalgaon and other parts, विद्या कभी व्यर्थ नहीं जाती. It was about 20 years back. I had a hunch. I don't have Divya Shakti, nor I have the Doordrishti. That one day I will be chairing a session in one of the seminars where all the eminent speakers will be all PhD holders. So much against the desire of everybody, I decided to do PhD. My examiners were ladies, both my examiners. And when the lady gets a chance to be grilled, and that took for about 45 minutes, first question they asked me, why did you decide to do the PhD? तो पंजाबी में मैंने पहले सोचा, हिंदी में बात सोचा कि मेरी मत मारी गई थी, बुद्धि भ्रष्ट हो गई थी, इसलिए I decided to do PhD. And my PhD is in management science. I am not trying to give my biodata, but I am trying to justify what you study will never go waste. That is the theme. That is the Lakshman Rekha. So the PhD is in management science. The leadership quality is required to succeed in 21st century. It's nothing to do with the political leadership. It's nothing to do with the armed forces leadership or anything of the sort. There are always people who will encourage you to do things which you don't want to do. So then I was encouraged to do my second PhD. The topic for which Maoism and Naxalism in India and its impact on national security. And my guide is not very happy with me, so he said, why don't you do third one also? So I just registered myself unofficially for the third PhD, which is in psychological warfare. Education will never go waste. And what we have been listening yesterday in 2 days is also part of our education. We are learning from the experience of others. And I would request the eminent speakers, we'll confine to the timing given to us. We have to conclude this session by the time the tea is served. And may I now request our first speaker, Dr. Patil. Yes, sir. Would you?
I'll take it here.
Yes, sir. We'll be doing that. I won't take very long. I was deliberately trying to put the things. These questions, I'll request you, sir, we'll address during the tea break, because I know there are some of the personalized questions agitating a large number of minds, particularly on the naval security. When we are discussing this issue, I got two interesting SMSs. I only pray to God it doesn't become reality. Because I have been cautioned, one of my friends who is the intelligence top secret operative, to get away from Goa as fast as I can. The message first says, at Salang, which is a shipbreaking yard in Gujarat. a highly contaminated ship came there 3 days back for destruction, dismantling, and they suspect it is carrying a dangerous virus or virus-infected property in the ship. It got smuggled into India on the guard of ship to be converted into scrap. We only hope none of us will buy any lantern from that ship. The second SMS which came to me, and I am quite worried about it, and that's why I am in a hurry to finish this session so that I can get back to my room. A ship, and this is the actual fact, a ship owned by a company at Panama, registered somewhere in Europe, flying a flag of East Asian country, they have not named the country, carrying a highly lethal, suspicious cargo, probably heading to China, ultimately to be delivered to North Korea, made a port call at Karachi 3 days back. Yesterday, when we were busy doing Samudra Pujan, the ship was spotted heading between Bombay towards Goa, and this morning at 4 o'clock, it had just disappeared. People don't have a trace of the ship, and they fear the ship is carrying a very dangerous cargo. You may think it is impossible. It can never happen. I quoted this because I was waiting for Raman Puri not to come so that I can get away with the murder, and now he has come, so I'll stop. It sounds like a fiction. Somebody will say it is impossible. It can never be done. Only a fool will do it. Osama bin Laden was not a bloody fool when he hit America on 9/11. Somebody sitting in some part of the world is drawing these drawing boards. Kuch na kuch sochte hain. What we are discussing, the threat to the national security, maritime ocean, it can become reality. कल आप जब दिन भर आपने सुना होगा लोगों को, आपको ऐसा लगा होगा कि आप भारत में हैं क्यों? तभी लोगों ने निराशा 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 के सिवाय कुछ बोला ही नहीं कल हमने. Are we all that bad? Are we really all that bad? And we are grateful to the eminent panelists this morning. There's a sign of hope. They were all looking toward the future. They're all looking to the future. How to complete these inadequacies to become a perfect nation. First, as a chairman of this session, I'm studying deliberately because there are some army officers also. I have a dirty habit of getting emotionally attached to chair. If I sit there for a long time, then I don't want to leave it on some pretext or other. Fortunately, the naval, they don't have a chair, so they don't want to eject. Air Force has got an ejection machine, so even if he doesn't want to get up, somebody else will press the button and they'll get away. Second thing, so my request is, things are not all that bad in India, let me assure you. हमारा जो मुल्क है, ये मुशर्रफ नहीं चला रहा है, राष्ट्रपति ओबामा नहीं चला रहे हैं, उसका बाप नहीं चला रहा है. Indians are running this nation and will continue to run this nation. May I request you, ladies and gentlemen, don't give up hope. उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है. A hopeless country will become a helpless country. And the day you become helpless, there will be nothing left in the world. These are all good things. That's why we organize these seminars, so that to agitate your minds, get the best from you, collect your thought process, convert into a concise plan, and pass it on to those people who are dealing with these issues and those who are the decision maker. That is the basic aim of things. But may I request particularly the student community, आप कभी ऐसा मत सोचिए कि क्या यार हमने गलती कर दी हिंदुस्तान में पैदा होके. You had no option but to be born here. And now that we are born here, we have no option but to live here. And no country is going to take you from here, because President Obama, just 3 days back, he told the Americans, children, we are a superpower, we are a super nation. It has taken our forefathers centuries to become a superpower. But to maintain he was talking in Philadelphia in the university, to maintain the superpower status, We must be prepared for it. Our coming generation must be prepared for it. And therefore, he said, my American children, I appeal to you, study science, study physics, study chemistry, study difficult subject. If you don't, then wait, Indians are coming. It's a fact of life. Bharatiya aa rahe hain wahan par. They are not the West Indians, but the India is a country of our own. They are so scared. You go on the net, you will find President Obama's speech in the university. It is there. It is there. The second, Dr. Ghosh probably knows because he's been dealing with this. The second threat he's saying, in 2021, the biggest national security threat to America is not going to be from another Osama bin Laden. It is not going to be from Saddam Hussein. He has gone where he is supposed to go. It is not going to be from another terrorist threat. It is not going to be from human bombs. It is going to be Americans don't have a scientific temper. They don't have that temper. वैज्ञानिक टेम्पर जो है, it is not there in USA. The problem is कि अगर उन्होंने अच्छे वैज्ञानिक नहीं खड़े किए तो उनका स्पेस, उनकी टेक्नोलॉजी, उनका न्यूक्लियर साइंस, उनकी बैंकिंग, उनका आईटी कौन चलाएगा? Therefore, he is saying, wait, Indians are coming. These are the connotation of Indian security and national security today. अगर अमेरिका का राष्ट्रपति हमारे बच्चों से मेरे से का बुढ़ा वहां नहीं जाएगा, पहली बात तो मुझे कोई आने नहीं देगा वहां, एयरपोर्ट से वापस भगा देंगे कि तुम्हारी धर्मपत्नी हो करवा चौथ करी, तुम यहां किस लिए आ गए? क्वेश्चन मार्क. They won't allow me to come there. The young generation. So you are our hope, you are our future, you are our confidence, and we request you, don't get carried away by all these anti-funny things which you listen to things. That nothing is good in India, nothing is good in India, nothing is good in India. Only good people are some TV channels who don't know what they are talking about. Therefore, the essence of this is, from this session is, there is a sign of hope. And I admire you, sir, all of three of you. You have given us hope. You have given us hope. You have given us confidence. You are showing us a way. And I am sure the panel which is being chaired by General Patil will be equally doing so. Please, please, for God's sake. Do you know, first time in the history of the world after 1945, an incident took place in Delhi. First time after 1945. 5 महान शक्तियों के राष्ट्रपति, राष्ट्राध्यक्ष दिल्ली में आए 2 महीने के अंतराल में, 2 साल पहले. It has never happened anywhere in the world. The President of America, the President of Russia, the Prime Minister of Britain, the President of China, and the President of Japan. France, sorry, I beg your pardon. France. They came. 2 महीने के अंतराल में दिल्ली में आए 2 साल पहले. It has never happened anywhere in the world. They didn't come to see Qutub Minar. They didn't come to see the river Yamuna, which is about to be converted into a sea of the human misery. They didn't come to do some Patanjali yoga. No. They came looking for strategic partnership with India. And they all told, and they don't read anybody else's speech. वो हमारे विदेश मंत्री करते हैं, किसी का भाषण किसी ने पढ़ दिया, वो बात दूसरी है. That is part of the professional class. खुद की तो लिख नहीं जाएंगे, जो लिखा है खुद नहीं पढ़ सकते, दूसरे का पढ़ दो, नाम अपना लगा लो. They all came here, and they all said, we hope India will join us. On the basis of what? On the basis of young generation, the future of India, the people of India. Just last year, when the entire Delhi was talking only about the poor girl who was raped on TV channels, there were heads of the 11 states from ASEAN, तमाम के राष्ट्रपति, राष्ट्राध्यक्ष, प्रधानमंत्री और वहां सुल्तान भी थे ब्रुनई के. उन तमाम ने बोला है भारतीय राष्ट्रपति से और प्रधानमंत्री से, we have great hope from India. We look up to India for directions. We look up to India to protect us. We look up to India to make us prosperous in 21st century. ये तमाम राष्ट्राध्यक्ष ने अपने जो भोज उनका होता है वहां पर बोला है, अपनी अपनी स्पीचेस में. On the basis of what? They must have done some homework. So are we all that bad? Are we all that incompetent? Are we being controlled by Musharraf, who is about to die another 15 days' time? I hope it doesn't come true. There's no place there. I don't think they're all that bad. And therefore, since we are bad, we keep on looking at the mistakes of somebody else. But we ignore the teaching of the Emperor of India कि जफर आदमी उनको न जानिएगा जो रहे देखते औरों के ऐबो हुनर पड़ी अपने गुनाहों पर जब नजर तो दुनिया में कोई बुरा ना रहा. We forget the whole thing. Let us look at our good points. Let us look at our positive points. And whatever inadequacies are there, let's improve it. So our children will not blame us कि आपने हमको किस स्थिति में लाके छोड़ दिया. That is my request to you through this forum. We are not all that bad. Let me assure you. Yes, we have problems. We have problems. सर ने भी बताया तो लाल चौक पे गए थे वहां अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद का झंडा लेकर के. Because Pakistan wanted to break India. Yesterday we heard Chinese have made a plan to divide India into 28 parts. They are already in 36 today. They are already in 36 today. So Chinese must do the arithmetic properly. Which part they want to break first? And I told them, I used to go to China for 10 years on negotiating table. I told them one day, the foreign minister of China, I said, sir, your excellency, हिंदुस्तान को तोड़ने के लिए हिंदुस्तान में लोग बहुत हैं, हमको बाहरी मदद की आवश्यकता ही नहीं है. I came and wrote in my report. My boss is here sitting, General Patil. I was working under his command. I told my Raksha Mantri, I don't think they're all that bad. My request to you is have confidence, have something in ourselves, and we'll improve ourselves, certainly. You see, on the last point, because I'm waiting for the T signal, T is about to be ready. So I've been told to hold on. आप एक टीवी में देखिए, एक विज्ञापन आता है, बाबर का लड़का हुमायूं, हुमायूं का अकबर, और उसके बाद आता पियर सोप लगाइए और हुमायूं की तरह हो जाएंगे, विदाउट रियलाइजिंग कि उससे बदसूरत आदमी दुनिया में कोई था ही नहीं. उससे क्रूर बदसूरत आदमी इस विश्व में कभी था ही नहीं. हम उससे लगाने वाला पियर सोप से, और सोप भी कैसा है कि आप हाथ पे लगाइए आपकी शक्ल गोरी हो जाती है. It's a great thing and we are buying it. The cosmetic industry in the world, those who are interested in cosmetics, is $35 billion. $35 billion is the cosmetic industry. हिंदुस्तान में खुद 3,500 करोड़ का फूल इधर तो यही बिकता रहता है. क्योंकि जितने गंदे हम आचरण करेंगे उतना ही ज्यादा डेवलपमेंट हमको लगाना पड़ता है अपने ऐप को छुपाने के लिए. So don't get carried away with whatever you are seeing and other things. I don't think that is correct. I don't think that is correct. And everybody say the same thing. You say makeup. What do you make up for? You make up for deficiency. जो है उसको छिपाएं, जो नहीं है उसको दिखाएं. मेकअप का यही आधार है. मेरी एज, उम्र, उसको छुपाना है, और मैं जो बुढ़ापा हूं उसको छुपा रहा हूं. जो जवानी नहीं है मेरे पास में उसको मैं दिखा रहा हूं. अभी तो हम जवान हैं. So don't get carried away by the makeup issues which are coming from across the world. This is my appeal as the chairman of this session. I don't know whether I am a man or not, but I was certainly sitting on chair. That's okay. और इसलिए मेरी आपसे निवेदन है, हम जो करते हैं, कल आपने जो सुना होगा कि जो है युद्ध है हमारे पास में, जो है उससे है युद्ध, जो नहीं है उसकी है तलाश या उसकी है आस. वो इसीलिए पूरा हिंदुस्तान रहता है उदास. हम ये नहीं है, ये नहीं है, ये नहीं है, ये नहीं है, तो है क्या हमारे पास में? मेरा आपसे निवेदन है कि आज के बाद आप करें कि जो है उससे करें प्रेम, जो नहीं है उसकी करें तलाश. अगर आप करते रहेंगे तलाश तो फिर कभी ना होंगे उदास. करत अभ्यास के जड़मती होते सुजान, ये हमारा सिद्धांत है. एंड देयरफॉर आई अपील टू यू, मे आई रिक्वेस्ट यू सर, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, डोंट टेल योर चिल्ड्रन कि तुमने गलती क्यों की यहां पैदा होने की. दुनिया में तुमको कोई जगह नहीं मिली थी. नहीं मिली जगह क्योंकि आप यहां थे ना. वैष्णव देवी तो आप गए थे, वो नहीं गया था. तू पहले नहीं होता तो अच्छा होता. वो बोलेगा मेरी मत मार गई थी. साईं बाबा के पास भक्त का प्रसाद लेने कौन गया था? आप ही गए थे ना शादी के बाद. So why are we blaming our children, our coming generation, for the misdeeds of our own? Why can't we improve ourselves and leave the generation to the grateful? We are grateful to you for being here, and we are grateful to you, sir. You have shown us some light. Individually, I feel honored to be part of your panel. Thank you so much. And now I have